guys, RETROCENGO here. Centaur Revisited is out. It just got released and nobody's talking about it. I don't know why. I see no excitement out there. I don't understand why, because the game looks really beautiful. I read some of the comments on Facebook. People were angry about the colors on the playfield. I don't get it. Haggis released this. You can buy it in a week from now. But as of right now, as I can see, we have got 250 standard editions and 50 bad move human editions. That looks awesome with colors on the playfield, because for me, everything black and white on a pinball machine, it's so dull, it's so boring. So this is a great welcome for me. I like the colors, I like the armor, I like the black orbs. Stand-up drop-down targets. I like the colors on the pop bombers. I like the RGB colors on the inserts. Looks absolutely amazing. Only thing that I don't like is those green arrows at the 1, 2, 3 drop-down target at the right side. That green is a bit off for me. Both versions has got toppers on them. Of course, the, what was it called? Oblivion version has got a huge topper on it, and it has got red light under it, behind it. It looks just as beautiful when Haggis came out with Fathom Revisited. Oh my god, these guys from Australia, they are making beautiful games, and this time they have learned a lot. I really like this release because this time it's like Damien came up with a video. He says that he doesn't say, you know, send the money over, non-refundable, and you will get your pinball machine in 2 weeks. No, it's nothing like that. He goes in and he tells us that, you know, you can order the games, and the games will be ready early next year. Okay, so that means that they will get the money, they will order the parts while they're working on the rest production of the Fathom, and then deliver these games. I mean, next year it sounds much more doable. If Haggis came out and said, send the money, 2 weeks, you have the game, everybody would be like, what's going on? But I really like this. I also like they're saying, you know, 250 standard versions and, you know, 50 complete, let's call it limited editions. You know, 300 total, he says on his video. I like it, man. It's very limited because they announced that I would make 5 of those old Bally games, and 300 Centaurs, and they will jump over to the next game. Now, the game looks beautiful. Nothing to say about that. And when you look at what you're getting between the bad move human, I love it, and the standard version, if I should buy this game, I would buy the limited, only 50 of them, the top version, of course. The thing is with me, I am completely in classic gaming. As you can see, I have 2 Sterns there, and I'm just so much in Stern mode, and I love it. I hope that Haggis, after making these 5 very popular Bally machines, that they will jump over, talk with Stern, and make 5 Stern machines. Come on, Damien. I would love that. Because here in Denmark, for me, back in, I look back on my pictures, back in 2009, I have been doing this for 20 years. Back in 2009, I got contacted, and I got contacted, and I got told, we have got a pinball machine in our cellar, are you interested? And I was like, yeah, sure, because back then I was in the arcade hobby, I was in arcade games. So this lady, she said that she had an arcade machine, so I visited her, and she had a Centaur there. down at their cellar, at their sofas and refrigerators. Everything was outside, and I was like, "What's going on here?" And she and her husband, they said that they bought this house back in 1997, and this arcade machine was down at their cellar, and it was there until 2009. Now they sold their house, and if I was interested, I could just get it for free. So I got it for free. I went back and gave them some chocolate and some cold drinks. It was a hot summer day. So I got this game, Centaur, for free. And back in, from 2005 to 2010, 8, 9, these old bellies, we got them for free. When I bought a fishtail, I got some of these old, What's with the Lion? I never remember that. I got these games for free. People were like, they were unsellable back then. Okay. And I remember I loved the Centaur. I was like, it's an old game. It has got 5-ball. You can build up to 5-ball multi-ball. Guys, gameplay on this game is amazing. I really love it. Background noise is cool. Call-outs are awesome. The whole layout, the drop-down targets, you had to hit them, you had to hit them in a correct order. That always irritated me. But everything else, in-lane shots and everything, such a cool game. At the outlanes, you can nudge the game and put the ball back into play. Centaur is such a great game. I had it for a long time. And I tried to sell it after a couple of years, and I remember no one was interested, and it was up for sale for a couple of months. Then one of my friends from Sweden actually contacted me, and he bought it, so it's in Sweden somewhere. I'm really done with this game, extremely done, because my bro has got the most beautiful Centaur, original Centaur from Belly in the world. So I could just go in and play his Centaur. It's so beautiful, perfect condition. So I'm not interested in buying this, but if I should buy it, I would buy the Oblivion 50 limited version. Here in Denmark, with shipping, tax, VAT, whatever you want to call it, it will, as I can see, it will cost me about $22,500 delivered on Danish ground. It's just too much money. It's just too much money. Now, if they remade Quicksilver, it would be much different for me. But there are people out there just like me who are in complete classic pinball mode. And for people like them, 50 limited, it's so cool. I really love it. Just think, you just have to know that when you buy something like this, when you pay, $3,000 deposit, you have to say to yourself, my money will be locked there, non-refundable, and the game will be shipped next year. Okay, just think about that, because stuff like this, I wish it was a bit cheaper, because a jacket, I don't care about the jacket. A record of the music, I don't care about the record. Stuff like this, don't use time and energy on it, and remove some of, I don't know, $1,000 off the price. It's just like, what's a thermos and food box, some BS that American Pinball includes on the top version. It's something I'm really not interested in. So please, what size is the jacket? Is it an XXL for me? Is it a medium? Is it a triple XL for American people? What size are the jackets? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. So give us a pinball machine, give it for a better price, and drop all these thermostats and pins and autographs and make it cheaper, okay? Because the price of these games, they're just getting ridiculous, guys. They're getting ridiculous now. But this game, I'm loving everything. I love the colors. It is a brand game. I know it is a 40-year-old design, but looking at it, Haggis they delivered. It looks so... I just want to end this video by saying absolutely wow. And that soundtrack reminds me of we're all living in America, Coca-Cola, wunderbar, obese people, you know. It's such a cool, and it has got this 16-beat at the end, and it sounds amazing. So let's get a bit more hype about this game, because every new pinball machine built is a great day for us in the hobby. So Haggis Pinball, thank you guys. I know you're showing this prototype, you're saying that on the video, but thank you guys. It's so beautiful, absolutely so beautiful. Thank you for the 2.0 update. Thank you for the music, rock music. Just thank you for doing this. It's awesome. And also realistically saying next year build. Thank you for being much more realistic. Thank you for saying limited 300 games and we will jump to the next game. Thank you guys. It's so cool. And Damien, making that video after that teaser video where we showed both games and told about what's going on in the factory, it was so cool. More of that stuff like that makes us happy. So congratulations to you, and congratulations to the whole pinball industry. I think it's a great day. So go ahead and get your Oblivion version and buy from Zach. I mean, I don't understand people from the US. You're riding on Pinball Enthusiast. Should I buy from this company or that company? I was talking to the guy last night. He says when people buy from me, it's free shipping. Doesn't matter which state you're from. If you're from the US, you will buy from Zach, from Flipping Out, get free shipping. Okay? Free shipping. So it doesn't matter where you're located. Free shipping. If something, and the service from a guy like Zach Mehdi, I mean, he has pinball in his heart. And if you have some trouble with your game, you will get support by Greg Bone. What more are you asking for? So they are the official US distros of this game from Haggis. So go ahead, contact Flipping Out. I'm not getting money for nothing. I don't care about stuff like this. I'm just telling you guys, everything is free. Great service, and great service if you have some issues. It's just greatness in a box.
Begin your attack.